He has no audience?
He has listened to our application.
You addressed the court first as the defense, right?
Yes.
You raised issues or matters or concerns that the prosecution had to respond to, right?
Indeed.
And then now we are back here saying, let them confirm whether he's under arrest or not, so that then we know the way forward. Did I get you right in summary?
That extent
Yes, so he has a right to rejoin very briefly.
Yona, thank you for the guidance. Mr. Njiro has the habit of taking over court. I'm glad this court has not allowed it. But Yona, there's a new issue that has been raised about...
Yona, you know that's a very serious allegation.
That was in
Just a moment, counsel. Can I place this aside and serve the common Mwananchi who is waiting for me? And then maybe we record a consent on the way forward. Is it possible? Because if we do this back and forth like this, it's going to take longer. People here who need to know what is cash bill, what is the fine, if any, so that they start looking for it to pay before they're taken to the remand.
And I'll stick to the 3 minutes and we'll be done. I just wanted to raise with the court that Mr. Okat has raised a new issue on Article 25, it was not there, about torture. And if you allow me, in addition to answering to the question as to whether Mr. Tuju is in custody, allow me to start with the response to Article 25. You've been told a lot of factual matrix, I mentioned it earlier. None of them on an affidavit. I do not have any reason to doubt the Vice President, the former Vice President of Kenya. And I repeat that we sympathize as the prosecution from the factual narration. However, there is no evidence, which can only by way of an affidavit, to the extent that there has been torture or inhuman and degrading treatment, which then would invoke Article 25. Before that affidavit fits on your desk, this court cannot be persuaded by allegations of torture and inhuman and degrading treatment. I thank you on that point. Is Honorable Tuju in custody of the police? Yes. The OB number is OB 31/23/3/2026.
Let's take that again. OB number?
Sorry, we just get it. OB number 31/23/3/2026. Even in hospital, he is in the custody of the police. It is the prosecution's position that even pending appearance, he will remain in the custody of the police until and unless we are back to this court earlier, if that is possible, or the police in their own discretion, which the Director of Public Prosecutions cannot get into, consider a grant of police bail. I thank you.